Hi, welcome to Scarlet Blue. My name is Gabby, and I've been fitting for over 10 years. Today we're going to talk about how your full fit bra should fit. All of Scarlet Blue's full fit bras give you great support. We always ensure that we have wide, thick straps to ensure there's no digging, a wider back to ensure everything is tucked in, and an extra clasp to ensure you have added comfort. Here's 3 great tips to ensure you have the right fit. Is your center cord laying flat to your skin? If not, most likely your cup is too small. Is a wire clearing your breast tissue? If you're feeling any digging in or bulging on the top of the cup, most likely your cup is too small. Your band should be snug and parallel to the floor. We should always be starting on the outer hook. If you're on the first or second hook, most likely your band is too big. Now I'm going to teach you how to fit yourself at home. We're going to start with your band size. You're going to place a measuring tape directly under your bust line with a tight squeeze, ensuring your arms are down. Next, we're going to get your cup size. You're going to place the band at the fullest part of your breast with a loose fit. Once you get these 2 measurements, refer to our fit guide.